The LightSail is blasting off to space along with the X-37B drone for a test flight on May 20th. But the project still needs a lot more money for its first major mission in 2016. So the Planetary Society has started a Kickstarter campaign for getting money from crowdsourcing. LightSail was originally conceptualized by Carl Sagan as a solar sailor, a spacecraft that uses the sun's radiation for propulsion. The Planetary Society is attempting to make its own version. The current model is a CubeSat, no bigger than a breadbox with 4 sails. If the team manages to raise enough money, LightSail will be sent to orbit aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket in 2016. Solar sails use the sun's energy as a method of propulsion, that is, flight by light. Light is made of packets of energy called photons. While photons have no mass, a photon traveling as a packet of light has energy and momentum. Solar sail spacecraft capture light momentum with large lightweight mirrored surfaces sails. As light reflects off a sail, most of its momentum is transferred, pushing on the sail. The resulting acceleration is small but continuous. Unlike chemical rockets that provide short bursts of thrust, solar sails thrust continuously and can reach higher speeds over time.
Hey, Bill Nye here, CEO of the Planetary Society. The Planetary Society is the world's largest non-governmental space interest organization. We advance space science and exploration. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to explore space using a technology that was proposed about a century ago. We're going to use a miniaturized satellite. There's a standard now called CubeSat, cubical satellite. Now, coming out of our little CubeSat are 32 square meters of super shiny mylar. It's bigger than the ceiling. Well, I mean, you can't see the ceiling, but it's big. Now, you may not have thought about it, but light is made of photons, and photons have no mass, but they have momentum. It's surprising. So if sunlight is shining on something, it's actually giving it a tiny, tiny push. So if we can get a spacecraft up in space that has enough area and is low enough mass, sunlight gives it a push. And these things are called solar sails, and our CubeSat is called the LightSail.
LightSail has a certain romance to it because the fact that it's using the sun as an energy source for propulsion. With solar sailing, in principle, you can go vast distances and do it in relatively small amounts of time.
Even though the push from sunlight is very small, it's up there pushing day and night. Except you're in space, there's no night. So it's pushing all the time. We can go to the moon and beyond for a very low cost.
I'm Doug Stetson, LightSail Program Manager for the Planetary Society. Solar sailing can take us to the moon, to other planets, and even to interstellar space.